Hello viewers, welcome back Pyresearch channel. In this video, we are exploring how to employee management system work with the OpenCV. This video is very informational for all of you guys. Let, let me create one simple demo for you guys, and we are enhance the our computer vision exploration and video content creator side, and you will see the first of all demo, and let me explain one by one. Okay, first you need to understand, I am open my terminal, and just first of all call the demo and python app.py, and you can see this is the whole story demo. uh, Let me open. First of all, you see Pyresearch provide environment employee monitoring system. Okay, and in front of you we are calculate the frames and detection person and cabinet detection. So we are involving here one dataset from get RoboFlow side and using for the training part of models, and then we implement Python code and some logics. Let me start. First you need to see uh, people will be detect and cabinet will be detect. Okay, cabinet will be detect, obviously a rough cabinet means not people will be available. So people how many time is available in front of you, you will see. And let me start from sketch. First you need to understand, we are open the also here notebooks. You go to the Pyresearch and open the here GitHub site, and you get this training code from here and also link in description. So here open the notebooks, easy to click and get the all this type this collab report. Okay, so first of all you need initialize the here your Google Colab platform, a GPU side, change the GPU. We use T4 GPU. Okay, then we install the dependency. First we call the our home path. Okay, then we need to install ultra license. Okay, after install ultra license, we install also RoboFlow library. Okay, let me check first of all this is the installation part is done. Yes, it is done. Okay, now we need to install RoboFlow library. Here not need there code, this one pip install RoboFlow and pip install Pyresearch. Okay, just call. Okay, and after installation part, you make the dataset folder, and how we get the dataset folder. First of all, you go to the here. First you need to sign up and get start. Okay, after you get start, you see this type of data set. This link in my description side, YouTube description. Okay, and you can see the overview, and also see the here annotation of images. Okay, here, here, this one in particular. We also involve in particular, but in this video, in this code, we are detection only setting, timing, and cabinet. Okay, not chair etc. If you want to employ, and here though two one is employee, but I am detection only people. Okay, so here, and how we get implement this logic, let me share with you all codes. First you need to understand dataset side, and how we get the dataset folder. Go to the here and just uh, click the yellow beard and show the code. Okay, we are successfully open the code. Here we already install RoboFlow library, and you get API and dataset folder. After you can see we get the dataset folder. So we need to call dataset folder name is, let me check it out, employee civilian 6, this name. Okay, and we are copy path in front of you, and set the path first of all. And here 17 is too much, but we need to reduce 50, 10. We already trained the model and it's taking time taking process, but in front of you I will stop it and train the 10 only. So after after training part, here we call it again, no such library of the, okay, no problem. This is not big challenge. You need to call ls and see the folder, and no such any type of folder is available. So copy the path and here home, dataset, we call ls dataset. Okay, here home data. So finally we continue our going to the path side. After custom training dataset, you select the path. First of all, we successfully select the path. After select the part, you can see we are going to able training part, and I am select the epos is 10. Okay, and here image size is 600, and you also able to see plotting side. Okay, so we are going to here our content dataset, here this folder, and here running path. After we successfully get all points 1 to 10, so we are able to test our detection part and also validate our model. So keep in your mind, this is very important to understand 2 3 logics in training part. Otherwise your model is not much getting result what you want. Okay, so let me explain to by one. After you can see we get the model here, wait, this one. So we run validate the commands, and finishing this report we are able to get model from here, and we export the model, and after export the model we are able to see a result. Okay, first of all also use learning the some logic and implementation side, and we are spent this algorithm side is 200 hours. Okay, 200 minimum to 250 hours. uh, a lot of hours will working, so we are getting one achievement, monitoring to the tool of employment. Okay, so this is very easy to method. We trained the model successfully. After you can see we are trained the model. Now we are able to see our here home path, running folder, and detection part, but I think it's not working, but let me check. Okay, so here you can see it's not available. Okay, but do not worry, we are getting copy this path. Okay, I know uh, this this folder here going to same folder. So here you can see the all now. Now need to select the same path, and here this one. Okay, now it run it. So here image is not mentioned. Okay, so first of all you see here image path is not mentioned, means image is not defined. Okay, so let me check it again, it's also same error getting. So do not worry, I am implemented the checking side. So now validate the our code here, means model, sorry, not code, model. Here, copy from here, this one, this line, this folder. Okay, so now we implement to test, validate our model. Here, same, paste here. Okay, so I am going to step by step in front of you, same side. Okay, so here no such directory, and getting same error, home dataset, and this one run, and here mistake, trend 2 we are able to run is 10, and now I think it's fine. Okay, it's missing. What is missing? No such download directory of the dataset. Okay, no problem. Here this one, let me check it out now. Okay, so do not worry about this one. We are getting these type of minor mistakes, and booklet is fine. So here, just copy from here again and paste here. So this booklet need to some check-in points and validate too, but we export the model here, download from here. Okay, now after downloading site, we open to after downloading site we are open to our folder here. Okay, our main majority is the focus on the only train the model. We successfully train the model. Okay, now we need to understand how to implement our some things, and I make it simple because I am trained at all points in my laptop. If you want to train in your laptop directly, you can do it. Okay, so here training script. I'm open my Sublime. Here training script. Okay, with medium model. So I am downloaded in front of you all points, and this one here last model, and one video and one file. This is very simple. Okay, now we need to open it, this code in PyCharm. So let me open it. PyCharm is easy to run code, and here open the platform of the PyCharm. Okay, so in front of you we are open the PyCharm, and here here open, going to desktop. Okay, here employment. So just open the this code in PyCharm side. So it's very easy for all of you guys. Now need to understand implementation side. First, we need to understand how we integrate this code, and second one, how we create logics, and get the result. One is model, which are already download from here. So okay, so I'm downloaded, deleted, and this booklet report get from in my YouTube description. This one. Okay, after training model, we export the model. Okay, after export the model, uh, you can see we are put here. Okay, so we are waiting for it. This, I think, is internet issue. Yes. Okay, do not worry, I have already model, so I'm already download from here, and in front of you you just see here Alta license library, OpenCV library, and PyCharm library. Not PyCharm, only NumPy library. You can see the Ultra license library, OpenCV library, and NumPy library. And our model is loaded. And video, I have one video in front of you. Let me check it out. Okay, so this is the video which we targeted. Okay, after you can see the we load the video, and here open the video file. After open the file, frame rate of videos will very important. This is the getting width and height, also very important. If you want to change the width height, you can do it. Here define the here create means to save. We are also save the video with this format. Okay, mp4 format. After you can see we are put the ground truss for the numbers means counting side. Okay, and frame counting. Now calculation side very important to understand of the formula of the calculation. Here boxes IOU. The calculation of the implementation, which is the union IOU, two boundaries. Okay, after you can see here our loop, and we are mentioned the tracking number from 0. Okay, here I am put one logic more. Okay, when we detect the 4 frames, you will detect only 4, otherwise you cannot detect. Okay, and let me check it out, the less than 4, greater than 4, it's okay, it's fine. Okay, so you can see that we are mentioned the IDs, and here person will be detect and put the logics counting side also, and set the boundaries. After set the boundaries, explain the here colors, color coding replace the actual ground trust data. Okay, so you are see the ground trust boxes and calculate the ground trust all values which you already mentioned from IOU side. And here threshold I am put two threshold, greater than 0.5 will be count, otherwise is not count. Okay, so here uh, calculation time of time side with the totally depend on the pixel side and the frame per second, so we are put here. Okay, same logic. And after you can see we are implement and display and text color will be showing you in front of you. So we are also implement headers, means two type of headers will be added. So I think our library is already installed, but do not worry. Let me show you how to install. After headers, you can see here text color, and mention the frame width height. Okay, and line by line will be color will be changed. Okay, now concrete the header, frame, and folders. So it's too much complicated, but do not worry. I am making very simple, and you will get the code and easy to understand and train in your way. This logic. Just replace the model, and you will put in your way and train it, and again run it. It's very simple. This is the whole story behind the we are creating concept and logically put the some simple our effort simple create this employment monitoring system. How much time will be spent in the chair or cabinet, and how much time is cabinet is not available of peoples. So here display the frame rate, identification, and detection time. Okay, so increment the frame per seconds one by one. Also here imshow will be closed and release the all. Now small calculation of the negatives, calculation of the, it's not necessary, but if you want to put, you can do it, otherwise it's not need. Open the PyCharm, click the PyCharm setting. Okay, and after setting you go to the here build and execute, here this one, sorry, project and employ. Okay, Python interpreter, and here you can see the plus sign, and you search out the ultra license, and also open CV. Okay, so my side is already create the anaconda environment, and all dependencies will be installed in front of you. You can check it out. Just open okay the button, and here we are successfully going to run our code. Okay, so in front of you we are explaining all type of here uh, this footer header. Okay, both and frame ratios will be count, and detection part will be count this logic. Okay, let me check it out. This one and this one cabinet. Okay, and here when if class 1 is detect, call him person, otherwise you will change it in your way name. Okay, you also mention here employee. Okay, if you want to change the name you can do it, otherwise it's not necessary. Let me check it out, the change the name employee, and may close it, means terminate it and run it again. So here I'm change the name is employee and timing. If you want to change the name, it's in your hand, otherwise you not. And three people is detect, one two three, and two cabinet and three cabinet will be detect. It's not and mention the time ratio. Okay, so continually is time is calibrated, how much time is available employee and deck side. Okay, the whole concept is the detection part is doing very well, and export the model very well, and label. I One part is missing is how to labeling, but I'm creating more videos of the how to label our images, so you will check it out. And whole story means whole concept in front of you. We are implement three four simple calculation logics in our application, how to calculate our employee monitoring system. Just like you can say in sitting time, not sitting time. You can see also cabinet timing is mentioned, how much time is not available. Okay, so guys, hope you like it. Keep support us. See you in next video. We will create more ideas and videos. Keep in touch.